Hello everyone, welcome back to the next session on scientific calculator. In this session, we are going to see how to use equation mode to solve simultaneous equations with 2 and 3 variables. Now, first let's solve two equations in two unknowns, that is x and y. So x plus 6y is equal to 10 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 10. These simple simultaneous equations we will try to solve using scientific calculator. For that purpose, we need to go in mode. Then you can see equation mode is at 5 number. So click on 5. You will get different types of equations. First equation is for two variables, second equation for three variables, third equation for quadratic equation, and fourth type for cubic equation. So here we require the first type, that is equation in terms of two unknowns x and y. So we will choose one. After choosing one, it is asking x and y coefficient and the RHS. So 2 by 3 matrix it is asking. So let's put the values. So from first equation we have the coefficients 1, 6 and RHS is 10. So let's put them as first row. So 1, then push equal to button, 6 and 10. For second equation we will be putting 3, 2 and 10. So 3, 2 and 10. Okay, after feeding all this data, just push equal to button. So you will get the first value of is 5 by 2 and second variable's value as 5 by 4. So 2 and 5 by 4 are the solution of these two equations. So in this simple way, you can solve two simultaneous equation in two variables. Now let's see how to solve simultaneous equation with three variables. Here we have three equations in three unknowns x, y and z. So how to put these equations into calculator? Again we need to go for mode, then select the equation mode by pressing 5. Then this type of equation is of the second type, that is x, y and z, three variables. So we will push 2. So it is asking us coefficient of variables, that is 4, 1, 3 and 17 for first equations. So 4, 7, 1, 3 and 17. Next equation gives us 1, 5 and 1. 5, 1 and 14. Then we have 2, minus 1, 8 and 12. 2, minus 1, 8 and 12. So once you fill this data, just press equal to button. You'll get value of first variable x as 3, y as 2 and z as 1. So this is 3, 2, 1 is a solution of this system of three linear equations. In next session, we will have a session on how to solve quadratic equations and cubic equation. Thank you everyone. Keep learning.